Hi, today I've heard of your OnePlus 11 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere application on this device. So let's just first open the Play Store application and then in the search bar we should enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application, so that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close and tap to OK on the left down corner. After that, you'll see here information about our device battery temperature, and in my case that's 32 and 4 degrees. So also we can see here more information like the battery health, level, capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So thank you for watching guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.